Hey you guys, it's your girl Plus Size Beauty and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making sausage, chicken, and shrimp jerk pasta. And I'm going to be making my sauce from scratch, so I'll show you all how I make that. I have my jerk seasoning here as well that I got from Walmart, and it's the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, hot and spicy. I also have my pasta over here in the blue box. That I also purchased at Walmart. And here it is. I'm just going to show you the name there at the bottom. I'm going to actually mix all of this together. But first, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do my noodles. Adding my water, just a little bit. And then I'm going to let this cook with the little top on. Okay, so I'm cooking my shrimp. I'm throwing a little Tony's on there and a little jerk seasoning. Now I have it cooked, and I'm gonna add it to my sausage and my chicken in a bowl. And here you have it. Voila. My Tony's, Parmesan, black pepper, Fiesta blend cheese, heavy whipping cream, and 1 stick of Imperial butter. You can use any kind of butter that you want, but this is what I'm using today. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm melting my butter in the same pot that I cooked my pasta in, and then I'm gonna keep melting the butter down, and then I'm gonna slowly add in some heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna stir it up, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of my Fiesta blend cheese, and then I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. I'm cooking it on medium heat. So yeah, I know it's a little hot, but now I'm pouring in my cheese and a little bit more of that heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna keep pouring, and I'm gonna keep putting in my cheese and mixing it together until it's thick. And now I'm adding my Parmesan cheese, and that's gonna give it a really good flavor. And then I'm gonna add some of my jerk sauce marinade, and that's gonna give it a really wonderful taste. Look how thick that sauce is though. It's really thickening up really good, so I want to stir it really good. And then I'm going to add a little dash of Tony's. Now I'm adding my pasta, and then I'm going to add in, last but not least, my meats. And there you have it. That's how you make the jerk pasta. And here's a